Hello students, today our topic is acron. For that we require one origami paper. You have to keep the color paper up like this way and you have to fold from the middle so you will get the triangle shape over here. Now give the proper crease. Now unfold it so you can see the middle line. Till middle line we have to fold the paper so we will get the small triangle again and you have to give the crease. Now we have to fold the strips like this way and we have to repeat the same steps again. Now again we have to fold the strip, again we have to fold the strip and again we have to fold the strip. Now give the proper crease over here. Now turn the paper. Now fold from the middle paper like this way and give the crease. Now unfold it. Till middle line we have to fold the paper from one side like this way and we have to give the crease. Again we have to fold the strip like this way and again till middle line we have to fold the strips again like this way and we have to give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly so your folding become neat and clean. Now again unfold it. The same steps we are folding over here. Till middle line we have to fold the paper like this way and we have to give the crease. Again we fold the one strip over here and till middle line again we have to fold that strip and we have to give the crease. Now unfold it. Can you see the line over here? So we have to fold the paper from here like this way. So we have to keep one strip from middle line, we have to keep one strip and we have to fold the paper. Now give the proper crease. Now remaining part please take back like this way. Again from here, from this side we will keep one strip and we fold the paper, remaining four paper over here like this way and we will give the crease, like this way. Now this part we have to fold in a slant way like this way. Like this way we have to fold the paper in a slant way. Can you see the slant way? Now we have to fold these corners. Can you see the corners over here? We have to fold in a triangle shape from the corner, from both the side like this way. From here also, from the corner we have to fold the triangle shape like this way. So our acron is ready. Now you have to give the background and you have to stick on it. Thank you.